This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve audio desync issues in Overwatch 2. Follow these steps to ensure a smoother gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Overwatch 2. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and sound card specifications to ensure compatibility. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Go to your computer's device manager and check for any updates for your audio drivers. Download and install the latest drivers from the manufacturer's website to improve audio performance. Step 3. Adjust in-game audio settings. Launch Overwatch 2 and navigate to the audio settings. Experiment with different audio quality settings and ensure that the audio output device is correctly set to your preferred speakers or headphones. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may interfere with game performance. This includes voice chat programs, music players, or any other software that uses audio resources. Step 5. Verify game files. Use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help resolve audio desync issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix audio desync problems in Overwatch 2. Enjoy your gaming experience.